Sending a UPI payment link is a straightforward process that allows you to request payments from customers or friends securely. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to send a UPI payment link. Choose a UPI app. Use a UPI-enabled app on your smartphone such as Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, or any other bank-specified UPI app. Log into your UPI app. Open the app and log in using your UPI PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to Payment Request or Collect option. Look for options like Request Money, Collect, or Generate Payment Link depending on the app. Enter payment details. Fill in the required details such as the amount to be requested, a short note, and the sender's UPI ID or phone number. Generate the payment link. Click on the option to generate the payment link. The app will create a unique URL or QR code that represents the payment request. Copy or share the payment link. Copy the generated link or share it directly via messaging apps, email, or any preferred communication method with the recipient. Recipient receives the link. The recipient clicks on the link or scans the QR code to open their UPI app. They can verify the details and confirm the payment. Payment confirmation. Once the recipient authorizes the payment, you will receive a confirmation notification. Both parties will receive transaction details for reference.